Hello! Today we are going to share some very beautiful vertical wash basins made of pure natural marble. Each one is very beautiful. The first one is a wash basin with carved vertical stripes. It is carved from different marbles. Each one has its own unique charm. The vertical stripes on the second one are larger and the spacing is larger. This third one is carved with square mosaics. This fifth one is carved with natural folds. This last one is a simple one without any carvings. Which one you like best?